Yo, what's up, guys? Now we're back in the shop again. Another day, another dollar. Or like someone we all know would say, another day, another nickel. Alright guys, so it's gonna be like a daily life shop vlog. Go through what we gotta do today. Got a million things to do, but for right now we have this bumper job that we need to go ahead and bond back together, fix it. I'll show you guys how we do that. First, of course, we gotta detrim everything, take off the grills, take off the sensors, license plate, take off the badge.
Now that I have the bumper detrimmed, I need to prep the area for the bumper repair. First, you want to go ahead and give it a quick 80 grit scratch so that way all the material sticks real good.
Now that we got everything detrimmed from the bumper, we're gonna go ahead and start prepping this corner. Have it pretty lined up as good as we're gonna get it. Alright guys, so we've got all this sanded and bonded and put together. We patched it from the bag with a bumper repair, and we used a plastic welding kit for the outside, feathered it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of some halftime and then go ahead and get it ready for primer.
Now that we got all the body work done, it's ready for prime. Looks pretty good.
Show you guys the finished product. What's up guys? It's already dark outside, as you can see. I wanted to show you guys, I finished priming it. I already hit it with 320. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with 600 and prep the rest for paint. Quick and easy little bumper repair. Can't even tell it ever happened. Nice and crisp, straight line. Once it's painted, it's gonna look real nice. You can't even feel nothing. Once we go ahead and mask it up for paint, I'll go ahead and show you guys that. And once it's painted, ready for delivery, guys. Check it out. Bang, that looks nice. Can't even tell that that thing was cracked. And that's the point of doing repairs. You gotta make it seem like it never happened. That's when you know you did the right job and you know you did it right. Look at that color match. Perfect. Perfect color match. If you need help with any repair techniques, or if you want any questions, if you have any questions or need to know anything or want to know anything, just go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I'll go ahead and get to it. If I can make a video about it, I will. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.